from the provider Blue Whale. It is a 150 pint, 8,000 plus square foot dehumidifier for hot days in the basement house to take the humidity out. Hose hookup, and we're going to show you what this product is about. The dehumidifier has weight. Open up out of the styrofoam case. As we unpack the dehumidifier, remove from the protective protection. We have a siphoning hose, a larger siphoning hose. Remove all the film off of the top, the tape off of the sides. In the side package, we have the instruction guide that you can go over at your leisure. We're given enough hose, about 8 to 10 feet. We're given a 3-foot draining hose, and we'll go over the unit showing you the fill area, the connection to the hose, the tie wrap area, that when you remove the valve cover, it stays onto the unit by a cord, a nylon thread. Once removed and placed to the side, you're able to hook up your hose permanently or temporarily to your installation and plumbing. This is the water drainage tips information, grabbing the two sides at the leading edge to pull the tank out with the handle to lift and drain. Over here are sensors that when the max level is filled, it triggers for drainage. As you see inside, placing on the larger diameter is aligning and securing down and strapping correctly down the hose. Connecting the other end to your drainage area. Located on the upper back are your filters. Simply open up, and the area to clean your vent area and audible sound. On the side are your lift handles to grab and move around. And on the front is a large display window. And on the top are all your controls and your vent area. This is a Feather Touch unit with all your controls located on top with no remote control. We're going to turn the unit on and go over of each of the settings. We're going to see in the display window on top and in front, turn on to a degree. We're at 73, 74 degree. The unit will start in an auto swivel of up and down. As it swivels, we have a pump that we simply hold to pump out water. We can lock the unit by a 3-second press. And then all the controls are locked. To release it, simply hold it for over 3 seconds. We have a low and high speed. We could stop the swivel and keep it pointed at that particular direction. We have the Humi, 3 modes to choose from. And we have a timer that goes all the way up to 24 seconds by pressing. But a long press will allow it to go fast. Then we have the power on and off. When shutting down the unit will time out after a number of seconds and the doors will close down. What we're going to do is set up for drainage by our area and show you how to install and let the unit run for a number of hours. And we'll come back. The unit will automatically shut off when filled, the 150 pint, 8,000 plus square foot dehumidifier. The house is dry The unit will run a temperature and draw in the humidity to the back fans located in the back. Placed against the wall within a foot in an open area near a drainage. It is an option to hook up to your sink and piping. You could use the unit portable anywhere imaginable. Floors, after cleaning, take the humidity out. At a boat, an RV, in an attic, in the basement. Your Blue Whale Dehumidifier. Let's go hook up. With the 4 caster wheels, the unit can roll freely anywhere imaginable. With the hose, simply place into your area of the sink. Disconnect your drain hose and place back in and plug in your other drain hose. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Plug into your power source and you're ready to use. We have the unit set up to drain automatically to the sink and shut down after so many hours. And we'll come back and show you what the unit will look like. After so many hours, the front top light dims down. We're at 79 degrees and we're going to swivel. We're checking out the dehumidifier for the next day or two. And we are going to pump out the water, hold for 3 seconds. We have 2 lights lit. One is blinking. And the water is draining. There's the light blinking. And there is the water draining. No more going to the back of the unit and removing where it's filled your container to empty out. Remember to shut your machine down in the off position and shut your pump down. Give you an idea how the water comes out. Simply bring the hose over, put in the container, and turn the unit back on for the next time of use. If power goes out, the unit will shut off, and remember where it's shut off at. Placing the power back in, the unit will turn on and continue. Blue Whale 150 pint, 8,000 plus square feet of dehumidification for your basements, places where you need to take out the moisture in the air. A nice medium weight machine with the front large display and feather touch on top. No remote control. I hope this unit is something that you are looking for your household needs, and thank you for viewing.